In this video, we'll look at examples of combustion reactions. So combustion reactions, exothermic, they're going to give off heat, like paper burning or wood burning. They also involve oxygen, usually from air. So when you have a campfire, it's the air around the campfire that's combining with the wood in a combustion reaction. Finally, they're chemical reactions, and specifically we call these redox reactions. We have new substances form when whatever we're burning combines with the oxygen gas. Let's look at three types of combustion reactions and examples of each. First, we'll look at organic combustion. So we're dealing with carbon when we talk about organic substances, and often hydrogen and oxygen maybe. In this example, we have methane, that's the gas. In the picture, that's the bubbles. The bubbles are full of methane gas, and then oxygen from the air. So when I light that on fire, the methane and the oxygen, they combine, they give off heat. We end up with carbon dioxide and water. And since it's warm, the water, that's going to be a gas. When you look at organic combustion, you can see it's the same pattern. You have something with carbon, then you have oxygen in all of these, and they produce carbon dioxide and water in every case. This is the general pattern. So this is organic combustion, and these examples here are ones you'll see pretty commonly in chemistry. Another example of a combustion reaction is the combustion of metals. So in the video here, steel wool, that's our iron solid, is combining with oxygen gas from the air. We end up with this Fe2O3, iron 3 oxide, and it's a solid as well. So metals, they combust, and they also produce heat. They're exothermic when that reaction takes place. So fireworks are an excellent example of the combustion of metals. The colors we see in fireworks, that comes from the combustion of metals to make metal oxides using oxygen in the air, the atmosphere. Finally, we can talk about the combustion of nonmetals. So you can have a nonmetal like solid sulfur combined with oxygen gas to produce SO2 gas. This is a nonmetal oxide. So we have combustion here because there's oxygen involved. It's a redox reaction and it's exothermic. It's going to give off heat. So to recap, when we're talking about combustion reaction and looking at examples of combustion reactions, we have this exothermic reaction that gives off heat. It involves oxygen, and that's usually from the air, and it's a chemical reaction, specifically what we call a redox reaction. This is Dr. B talking about combustion reactions and providing a few examples. Thanks for watching.